In this tutorial, you will learn about the connectors on the 6 zones connection box. This is an output pump contact, 230 volts. This is an output pump contact, potential free. You can, if necessary, connect a boiler to this. This is the input for the heating cooling contact, potential free. This is the input for heating cooling contact, 230 volts. You can connect the actuators to these connectors. This is where you can connect an external antenna. These are the dip switches. And on the side you can find the explanation of the dip switches.